We are trying is we have to be sustainable, right? There are so many things happening, global warming, and we can already just see the effects. The rainfall pattern in India, it's like getting delayed, it's getting very erratic. The whole of economy is getting affected because of the inflation and everything, and that does come down to whole of environment and everything. So people's jobs, everything is getting affected, but nobody is paying attention to it still, or as much as it should be. As in, it should be top concern for everybody, but it seems the world is not caring. But at least we have to try. I am Mayank Kabra and I work in technology, and this is the house that we have built like in 2 years back. We were living in a flat for the longest of time and we just wanted some open space. My mother is really into gardening and all, so she wanted to have greenery around her, and so that's the reason we wanted to build a house over here, that we could have some way to relax and enjoy. When we started the construction, I had it in mind that we'll put in solar since the beginning. It's the solution that's required now for today's world. Absolutely necessary. Everybody should be doing it. It's already too late to do it. There's no reason. There's so many reasons actually. So this was recommended by a friend of ours. They had worked with him, so they had recommended him. We had given him the plan. I think the construction was almost done. He came in, he checked out the house, figured out where they could install the solar panels. One thing we were slightly concerned about was how it would look. So Deepak figured out a very good way of where he could place the panels so that they don't look, it's not visible from below as well, but still very functional, and it's very accessible, it's very easy to clean because anybody can reach to the top of the panel. So part of it was we didn't want to occupy too much space on that roof. Because if we wanted to go do roof gardening and other things, we didn't want a whole lot of space occupied with that. With this panel, I think we were able to narrow it down, keep the area smaller that it used, generating the same amount of electricity. The microinverters were because if we wanted to expand it later, if we get more EVs or charging and other things, if the units were falling short. So that's why we got the microinverters, so that it can be easily expanded later on. And I think it also gives the advantage of monitoring it easily. Each panel we can monitor. If anything goes wrong, it's much more easy to debug it. And there was a lot of process, I guess. So one thing was to get the 3-phase connections, which was difficult when the house is under construction, which is required to get the permission to get the solar installed. They had worked with him, so they had recommended him. And solar in general, if you have space, you should get it. The payback period is much relatively shorter than even claimed most of the time. And it's just sitting there, it's passive, it works. Yeah, there's no reason not to get it. It's like everything good about it. Our bills are almost zero, actually zero. We don't even have to pay the base charge. So we generate more electricity than we need, but that leads us to have lower bill, almost zero bill. And we have an EV, so that gets charged by the solar, so that also helps us. So it's like we're almost carbon zero. Deepak was very great to work with, he was ready to explain the details and figure out the best system that we could have. And he helped us out with all the administrative work with the electricity department and others. So it was great to work with him with that way. So I'll definitely recommend Atmospure. We are trying is we have to be sustainable, right? There are so many things happening. Global warming, and we can already just see the effects. The rainfall pattern in India, it's like getting delayed, it's getting very erratic. So all those things, look at the prices of vegetables, like the whole of economy is getting affected because of the inflation and everything, and that does come down to whole of environment and everything. So people's jobs, everything is getting affected, but nobody is paying attention to it still, or as much as it should be. It should be top concern for everybody, but it seems the world is not caring. But at least we have to try.